Hi, this is Francesco, and in today's video we are going to make a very easy and quick Italian recipe called Piadina or Piada, as people from Emilia Romagna region call it. It is basically the Italian version of the Mexican tortillas, and as you probably know, most of the cultures around the world have their own version. But before we start, I would like to take a few minutes to say hi in person first and to celebrate with you this channel's birthday. In fact, exactly 1 year ago I uploaded my first video here on YouTube. I had a lot of great ideas for this channel, but then the pandemic arrived and we all know the rest of the story. Anyway, 1 year has passed and I would like to make a toast to all my subscribers, and I would also like to tell you that a lot of content is in store, and as soon as we will go back to normal, I'm looking forward to share this content with you. Before we make some piadine, I would also like to remind you to subscribe to this channel if this is the first time that you come here, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell to stay tuned. Thank you again for your support, salute, and let's go!